Alright everyone, I'll teach you how to solve quadratic equations by factorization with just two questions. Now this is the first one. The solution to the equation x squared minus 2x equal to 8 is solution. The general form of a quadratic equation says ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So I'll arrange or rearrange this very equation to look like this. So it is now x squared minus 2x. This 8 will cross and turn to minus 8, leaving us with 0 at the right hand side. So I have rearranged the very equation. Now the next thing is this. The coefficient of x squared here is 1, although it is not written, but it is 1. So if I multiply 1 by minus 8, it is minus 8. Minus 8. What is at this middle is minus 2. So what I need now is, I need two numbers such that when I multiply the two numbers, their product is equal to minus 8. Their sum is equal to minus 2. That is the point. So two numbers, when multiplied to give minus 8, when added to give minus 2. The numbers are 2 and minus 4. These are the numbers. Because 2 times minus 4 is minus 8. 2 plus minus 4 is minus 2. This is what we'll do. We have x squared. In place of minus 2x, I will write plus 2x minus 4x. The sign of 2 here is plus, so I'll write plus 2x minus 4x minus, then this minus 8 will still remain equal to what? 0. I have 4 terms here at the left hand side, so I will factorize by grouping them in 2's. This is it. I'll factorize this first 2, and then I'll factorize this next 2. Okay? So what is common to these two, x squared and 2x? It is x. I'll bring s out. Open a bracket. X squared divided by x is x. 2x divided by x is 2. That one is done. The next, what is common to minus 4x and minus 8? It is minus 4. Open a bracket. Minus 4x divided by minus 4 is x. And minus 8 divided by minus 4 is plus 2. This is it. Minus 8 over minus 4. Minus cancel minus. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Then for this, we have minus 4x over minus 4. Minus cancel minus. 4 cancel 4. What is left? X. So minus 4x divided by minus 4 is x. Minus 8 divided by minus 4 is 2. Now, this is equal to what? 0. So what you can see now is that the terms in the bracket, they are the same. X plus 2, x plus 2. It means that we are on point. So I will just bring one of the terms outside, x plus 2. One of them that is in brackets, x plus 2. Then open in another bracket. These terms outside, x minus 4, will form another bracket equal to what? 0. X plus 2 times x minus 4 equal to 0. This is a product. And if the product of two numbers, for example, a, b, is equal to 0, this is a times b equal to 0. It means that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So by implication, x plus 2 is either equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0, because this is a product and they are equal to 0. So this means that x plus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to what? 0. So I have two linear equations. I will solve the equations, and the two values that I will get for x are the roots or the zeros of the equation. So from here, x is equal to 0 minus 2, and x is equal to what? Minus 2. Okay? From here, x is equal to 0 plus 4. X is equal to what? 4. So this, x equal to minus 2, x equal to 4, we call them the roots. Or you can say solutions to the quadratic equation. Let's solve the second question. It says, solve the equation 6x squared minus 13x plus 5 equal to 0. So you can see that the coefficient of x squared here is 6, the coefficient of x here is minus 13, and the constant value here is 5. So if I multiply 6 by 5, the result is what? 30. Now, what is at this middle? We have minus 13. So, minus 13. So, I need two numbers such that their product is equal to 30 and their sum is equal to minus 13. So, which two numbers will I multiply that will give me 30? When I add the numbers, it will give me minus 13. The numbers are minus 10 and minus 3, because minus 10 times minus 3 is plus 30. Minus 10 plus minus 3 is minus 13. So we said that they are minus 10 minus 3. Well, this quadratic equation will now change to 6x squared minus, in place of minus 13x, I will write minus 10x minus 3x, then this plus 5 equal to what? 0. So I'll factorize this by grouping in twos. Factorize the first two, factorize the last two. What is common to these first two? It is 2x. 2x is common to 6x squared and minus 10. 2x. So bring 2x out. 6x squared divided by 2x is 3x. So that 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Minus 10x divided by 2x is minus 5. Minus 5. Now, I'll factorize this first two. The next two, minus 3x and plus 5. What is common is minus 1. Open a bracket. Minus 3x divided by minus 1 is 3x. 5 divided by minus 1 is minus 5. Equal to what? 0. So, minus 1 times 3x is minus 3x. Minus 1 times minus 5 is plus 5. Now, the brackets are the same. So, I'll bring one of them out. 3x minus 5. Then, form another bracket with 2x minus 1 equal to 0. And if the product of two numbers is equal to 0, it means that any of the numbers is equal to 0. And so we have that 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 1 is equal to what? 0. So I will solve these two equations. From here I have 3x equal to 0 plus 5, that's 5. If I divide both sides by 3, it means that x is equal to 5 over 3. 3 will cancel 3. Now this is the first solution, or the first root. The other root is this. From here we have 2x equal to 0 plus 1, which is 1. And so x is equal to 1 over 2 if I divide both sides by 2. So the roots are x equal to half, or 5 over 3. X equal to half, or 5 over 3. So these are the roots of this quadratic equation. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. I'll see you in the next video.